Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Y'all don't understand. I am right here. Arrived here thinking I'm gonna get a house, a 2-story building, and this is what I've got. What am I gonna do? After several 40-some years in America, and I've been saving all kinds of money just from building a house and sending it to Obinna. This crooked brother of mine, Obinna. This is what I have. Y'all see that? We got the house sinking house. That's what this guy's got me. This is supposed to be a 2-story building. 2-story building. What the heck? Y'all should look at it. Look at the gutter. Look at the water. Look at all of the place. Jehovah. What the heck is this? Y'all don't understand.